Hello, Griffins. My name is Chris Wheatley, and I'm going to give you a short presentation today about your daily food choices and how they relate to a healthy body image. Middle school is the start of a lot of changes in your body, and nutrition is one of the most important things to help you grow your body and mind. You're also starting to become more aware of social pressures about your looks, your weight, or even the foods you eat, and that's okay, but it's helpful to know what to expect as your body changes and which foods are healthy. Everybody is different, and every body is different, but everyone can love themselves. It all starts with breakfast. Eating breakfast each day has been proven to help you learn better in school and avoid lots of sick days. And it's important not to skip meals so your body isn't guessing about when it will get food next. My favorite breakfast when I was your age was chocolate chip pancakes and half a grapefruit. Mom made the pancakes and I sliced the grapefruit. It is normal when you're growing. It shouldn't be something you or your parents are afraid of. If you begin to think of food as forbidden or off limits, you may actually end up craving that food more and eating it any chance you get. Instead, just make sure you eat your nutritious foods first. If you listen to your body, it will tell you if it's still hungry or if eating that donut after breakfast will just make you feel kind of sick. You may have a certain time of day that you sit down to eat lunch with your friends or dinner with your family. These times are usually when you're also getting hungry. But if you're not hungry for some reason, maybe you had a snack after soccer practice or during play practice, don't force yourself to eat. Listen to your body. Now maybe you've heard about how carbs are bad or fats are bad, or maybe you haven't yet. But the truth is, your body needs carbs or carbohydrates for fuel when you run and think and play dodgeball. Carbs like brown rice and oranges, broccoli and bananas, sweet potatoes and quinoa. It also needs fats to grow and digest vitamins. Fats like avocados and almonds, salmon and olive oil. And it also needs proteins like lean meats or beans or tofu to grow muscles and bones and skin. Your body doesn't do all those things as well when you eat only Oreos or Skittles or Cheetos or ice cream or even Peeps. It doesn't mean you can never eat them. It just means don't eat them first. Body changes and weight gain are normal during middle school. Food isn't something to be avoided or forbidden or feared. Making healthy choices means showing yourself love. It means choosing foods that help you grow and learn, not sleepy or sick. Be curious. There's always more to learn and another question to ask about food. But most importantly, listen to the Beebs and love yourself.